Hey, this is a tutorial on a card trick called the Two-Red Queens. I did this card trick before, but I just wanted to remake it. So here it goes. So you're just going to get the two red queens from your deck and then put down 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And put the deck aside. Now what you're going to do out of those 13 cards is fan them out and ask the spectator to pick one. So let's say they pick the 10 of clubs. After they memorize that and hand it back to you, you're going to stick it on the bottom of the 13 cards. 12 cards, 13 including their card. And then you're going to grab one of the queens and put it on top of the pile face up, and the other one on bottom of the pile face up too. Now what you're going to do is spell out these words between the two red queens and say your card should be between the two red queens to the spectator. And so you're going to go between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, put the cards on top, the, T-H-E, 2, T-W-O, put the cards on top, red, R-E-D, put the cards on top, Q-U-E-E-N-S, put the cards on top. And now what you're going to do is fan out the cards, and their card should be between the two red queens, the 10 of clubs. And that's how the trick is done. Thanks for watching.